god.
I am happy. Oh my god.
Ooh,
Put it up my butt. So the other day I went to the fucking commercial store and then I was like, oh my gosh, I went up, but I was supposed to turn down, right? And so then the grass was blue, but then I was white, and so I was confused because he was left and then that fucking toy was green. And then I don't know. I just don't know because I was speaking Spanish in my head, but then everyone was speaking Chinese to me, and then it was French coming out of my ears, and then I was like, why is French coming out of my ears? But then there's fucking German going inside my eyes, and I was like, wait. The door was supposed to close left, but then the lights turned left, and then the fucking radio turned on and started playing movies, and I was like, but I can't see the movies, and the movies popped up, and I was like, whoa, I don't want to see the movies. So then the movies went away, and so then I just don't know what to do. Am I done now?